Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gift wrap scissors is probably one of the most overlooked tools in gift giving, yet it significantly impacts the final presentation and your overall wrapping experience. From effortlessly cutting through various wrapping papers and ribbons to adding those delicate, personalized touches, the right pair of scissors can transform your gift wrapping from a chore into a joyful experience, making your presents look extra special and reflecting the care you put into choosing the perfect gift. Number 5. Little ELF Gift Wrap Cutter. Say goodbye to frustrating gift wrap cuts. It's the revolutionary tool that makes wrapping presents a breeze. Enjoy perfectly straight cuts every time. It's designed with your safety in mind, featuring a durable, embedded steel blade and smooth, high-quality plastic. It's the perfect size for most standard gift wrap rolls. No more rips, tears, or crooked cuts. It provides a clean, straight cut every single time, saving you time and money. It even makes crosscuts for trimming sheets. It's the fastest and most efficient way to cut gift wrap. This little tool has changed the way people wrap gifts, making it quick, easy, and fun. It not only makes cutting a cinch, but it also keeps your gift wrap organized, preventing unraveling and mess. It's a must-have for any gift-giving occasion. This isn't just another gift wrap cutter, it's a game changer that's been featured on Shark Tank. Experience the difference for yourself. What we like? It has a durable, embedded steel blade, keeping your fingers safe. Its simple design makes wrapping a breeze. If you value speed and safety in your gift wrapping process, this is the tool for you. What people say. Cuts paper in a jiffy and straight. Useful for wrapping paper and for rolls of craft paper. So much easier to cut straight lines. A sturdy piece of equipment with a sharp blade. Makes cutting paper easier, in a straight line with no jagged edges. Comes in a pack of 2, which is great. Number 4. Scotch Holiday Gift Wrap Tape Kit. This holiday season, create truly unique gift wraps. It's easy to add a personal touch to each present. With its satin finish, it virtually disappears on most wrapping papers, giving your gifts a clean, professional look. Unleash your creativity. 3 different washi tape patterns are included for endless design possibilities. 50 convenient labels are provided. Simply write names and addresses with pen, pencil, or marker. The labels are repositionable, allowing for easy adjustments before final placement. These scissors feature sharp, stainless steel blades and a comfortable grip, making wrapping a breeze for both right and left-handed users. The refillable dispenser is easy to hold and cut, ensuring a smooth and efficient wrapping experience. What we like? It includes washi tapes and labels for a personalized touch. The satin finish tape blends seamlessly with most papers. If you're looking for a complete gift wrapping kit with decorative elements, this is perfect for you. What people say. The scissors are sharp, durable, and comfortable to use, with a soft grip that's perfect for wrapping marathons. Scissors work great when cutting wrapping paper. The slide cut is on point. The scissors are very good quality and were perfect for wrapping gifts and opening them. Number 3. Gomake Wrapping Paper Cutter. This innovative cutter makes wrapping gifts quick and easy. Its concealed blade ensures safe and convenient use for everyone. Whether it's Christmas, birthdays, or weddings, it's the ideal tool for beautifully wrapping presents. It adds a touch of fun to gift giving. The hidden blade keeps it safe for storage and transport. It's simple enough for children to use, making gift wrapping a family activity. It's not just for wrapping paper. It's also great for cutting vinyl, window tint, wallpaper, and more. It's a versatile tool for many crafting needs. This cutter helps you quickly and easily wrap gifts, saving you time and effort. It's a must-have for busy individuals and families. With its smooth cutting action and safety features, it's the perfect addition to your crafting supplies. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like? The concealed blade keeps you safe, and replaceable blades ensure longevity. It's great for various materials beyond wrapping paper. If you need a durable and versatile cutter for multiple crafting needs, this is a great option. What people say. They cut through ribbon as well as paper. I appreciate that they are easy to use and the cutting blade is housed within plastic so there's no worry of slicing a finger. These wrapping cutters work so well and make for a nice clean cut and they don't rip the paper. Works well. Makes wrapping gifts so much easier than scissors. Extra blades should last a long time. Number 2. Gomake Wrapping Paper Cutter. This innovative tool makes wrapping gifts quick and easy. Say goodbye to messy tears and hello to perfectly cut wrapping paper. It's designed with safety in mind, featuring a secure blade lock and replaceable blades. Enjoy effortless cutting every time. It's not just for wrapping paper. Use it to cut vinyl film, wallpaper, and more. Each blade has 4 cutting corners, extending its lifespan. Simply replace the blade when needed for continued sharpness. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any gift-giving occasion. Make wrapping a fun and easy experience. It's a fantastic tool to teach children about gift wrapping. Let them create their own unique gifts for friends and family. Remember, it's not suitable for thick paper. But it's perfect for most standard wrapping papers and other thin materials. What we like? The replaceable blades offer long-term value, and the safety design protects your fingers. It's suitable for various materials, not just wrapping paper. If you need a cost-effective and versatile cutter for multiple crafting needs, this is a great option. What people say. These things are the great for cutting straight clean lines and take little manipulation to get the cut started. I love this cutter. I used it for cutting my gift wrap and it worked perfectly. It makes cutting wrapping paper easy and stress-free. Number 1. Slice 10598 Rotary Cutter. This bladeless rotary cutter is designed for safety and efficiency. Its unique design keeps your fingers safe while you cut. It uses opposing discs to cut, eliminating the risk of blades. This makes it perfect for repeated use. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It's also ambidextrous, suitable for both left and right-handed users. It's great for cutting wrapping paper, cellophane, and standard paper. It's perfect for retail and florist settings. The oval grip is lined with rubber for comfort, and it's made from durable, lightweight materials. It requires no maintenance. Slice donates 1% of global sales to autism research. It's a tool that helps both you and a great cause. What we like? The bladeless design eliminates the risk of cuts, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort. It's ideal for long cuts. If you prioritize safety and comfort during extended wrapping sessions, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Bought this to cut vinyl IFF rolls for my Cricut machine. Bought to judge a straight line, but works beautifully. Had a 30 to 35-year-old version of this tool concept, made in Hungary, but it was causing minor problems. This new version is a perfect tool for cutting gift wrap, wallpaper, school paper projects, parchment in the kitchen and more. Saw a bunch of reviews saying it didn't work well. They all seemed to mention that they were trying to cut wrapping paper with it. I tried cutting thin paper, not even as thin as wrapping paper, and it had a hard time. It's not really suited for that. However, I use it a lot for cutting cardstock and it works like a champ. Slices easily and cleanly exactly where I want it to cut. So if you are going to use this to cut thicker paper and cardstock, it will work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.